Hey everyone, if you have been wondering how can you change your primary phone number on Facebook and basically replace it with a newer one, then you're in the right place. Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method as well. So follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. Now of course, since we're going to be using the Facebook app on your mobile device, we need to go ahead and open first Play Store or App Store. Depends on what device you're on, search for Facebook and let's make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly in this process. After that, go ahead and open Facebook, make sure you are logged into your account, and then tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, you can tap right here in this gear icon to open settings, or you can instead scroll down, tap on settings and privacy right here, then tap on settings. So in both cases, we need to open settings. Now here we are, we need to tap on see more in account center, of course, to open account center. And then from here, go ahead and tap on personal details. In the screen, tap on contact info in the top. And right here, you should find your email and your primary phone number. In order for you to change your primary phone number, you need to add a second phone number first, and then we go ahead and delete the old one or the primary phone number. So tap on add new contact in the bottom of the screen right here, this blue button. So tap there and then choose add mobile number, the first option here, and then go ahead and add, of course, your phone number right here, guys. After that, you can quit, go back to the screen, tap on your old or primary phone number, then tap on delete number right here, and then tap on delete. And that is how you can do it, guys. Basically, you have changed your primary phone number just like that. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in another video, guys.